In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a cash voucher in the Binance mobile app easily and efficiently. First, you'll want to make sure that you've got Binance installed and ready to go on your mobile device. Once you've checked that, let's dive in. To get started, open the Binance app on your mobile device. After you've opened the app, look at the bottom navigation menu for the More option. Tapping on this will lead you to a broader array of functions and features. Here, you'll want to select the Rewards Hub. In this space, you will be introduced to all the promotional events and rewards that Binance has to offer. The Rewards Hub is your go-to area for tracking and redeeming any vouchers you might have. Now, once you're inside the Rewards Hub, you'll need to navigate to the My Vouchers section. This is typically found at the top of the rewards list and provides a direct view of all of your available vouchers and their statuses. From here, you'll see a button or tab labeled Voucher Code. Tap this option to proceed to the section where you can enter your voucher details. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, redeeming your voucher. In the space provided, carefully enter your voucher code. It's important here to ensure that you input the code exactly as it's listed. Voucher codes are usually a mix of letters and numbers, so double check for accuracy to avoid any issues. Once you've entered the code, look for the Claim Voucher button and give it a tap. By tapping Claim Voucher, you initiate the process of redeeming your voucher. If everything checks out, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your voucher has been successfully redeemed. You'll see your account balance reflecting the newly added funds shortly after. Keep in mind, if you encounter any issues or errors during these steps, it could be due to an invalid code or expiration. In such cases, it's best to double check the voucher details or reach out to Binance support for assistance. They can provide further help in troubleshooting any persistent issues. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully redeemed a cash voucher on the Binance mobile app. Hopefully this guide has made the process easy and straightforward for you. Be sure to always keep track of your vouchers and redeem them before expiry to maximize your benefits. Thank you for watching and happy trading.